It's important. It's just with any profession. This I believe this is the actual that little trait that makes you professional versus just being very good at something. Ultimately, it is a confirmation. I feel more confident. I feel like a true professional. I feel that confidence can be passed to my clients. I wasn't sure how I'll react to criticism. I wasn't sure how the feedback would go. That's actually why I held back for almost a year. I was blown away how positive and how constructive it is. It was only positive stuff. Everything, and it was always useful. Here's about the light. Here's about the pose. This is what you need to pay attention to. Something that I immediately can apply. It's not the same as getting feedback from people that are not in the industry. It's important to get feedback from people who are in the industry. That I got the accreditation, but I also got good feedback and some criticism that I know I need to work on. They were wonderful to say, these were amazing, these are the pluses, and here's what it would be good if you paid attention to. That's exactly what I'm going to be doing.